Hi everyone, let's talk about GST. GST stands for Goods and Services Tax. It's a big change that happened in India in 2017. It replaced lots of different taxes with one simple tax. GST applies to most things you buy. It works step by step. Each person who makes or sells something adds a little tax, but they can also get money back for the tax they already paid. This was a really big deal for India. It made things simpler, more open, and created one big market for the whole country. Businesses big and small had to learn the new rules. The GST Council, a group with people from the central and state governments, makes the rules for GST. They decide how much tax to charge and make changes when needed. They meet regularly to keep things running smoothly. GST has been a big change for India, with both good and bad things happening. As time goes on, it's getting better for everyone. Bengaluru is a very important city for GST. It's a center for technology and business, and it gives a lot of money to the government through GST. Lots of different types of businesses are in Bengaluru, like IT, biotech, and manufacturing. They all pay GST. Many businesses in Bengaluru are registered for GST, from small startups to big companies. They all make and sell things, which means they pay GST. Bengaluru's strong economy is helped by GST. The city has good systems for collecting taxes with special GST offices and trained people. This makes it easy for businesses to follow the rules. The Karnataka government also teaches businesses about GST. They hold workshops and have online resources to help businesses understand the rules. In 2024, there have been some important changes to GST in Bengaluru. These changes are meant to make GST better and easier for everyone. One big change is the use of technology, especially artificial intelligence, or AI. The government is using AI to catch people who don't pay their taxes. There are also new rules to make it easier for businesses to follow GST rules. This includes things like e-invoicing and a new system for managing invoices. The Karnataka government has also given specific instructions for businesses in the state. These instructions help businesses understand the new rules and follow them correctly. Because GST is always changing, businesses in Bengaluru need to stay updated. This helps them follow the rules, pay the right amount of tax, and take advantage of new opportunities. Businesses should always check for new GST rules from the government. They can do this by checking websites, going to webinars, or talking to tax experts. It's also important for businesses to check their own GST processes. This means making sure they file their taxes correctly, keep good records, and check that their GST information matches their financial records. Good accounting software can help with this. Businesses should also talk to their tax advisors if they have any questions. Tax experts can give helpful advice and support. By staying updated on GST, businesses in Bengaluru can avoid problems and do well. Knowing the GST rules is not just about following the law, it's also about being competitive.